everybody, and welcome to Arabic with Amina. Today's topic is about adverbs of place. Adverbs of place in Arabic are known as ظروف المكان. ظروف المكان. So what is an adverb of place? It is a word that tells us where something happens. For example, above, behind, on. In Arabic, the word that comes after the adverb is grammatically known as مضاف إليه. A مضاف إليه is always in the genitive case, meaning that it will have the corresponding harakat or tanween, which is a kasra. Now on to the adverbs of place. فوق means above, up, or on. So for example, الكتاب فوق الطاولة. The book is on the table. Now you can notice that the word after فوق is الطاولة, which means the table. And notice how the last حركة on the last letter is a kasra. And that is because it is مضاف إليه. الكتاب فوق الطاولة. Now if we were to say that the book is under the table, تحت means below or under. So we would say الكتاب تحت الطاولة. This is Muhammad. As you can see, Muhammad is standing in front of a door. To say in front of, we use the word أمام. So, Muhammad أمام الباب. Muhammad is in front of the door. You see this ball here? Well, this ball is actually behind a car. There are two ways to say behind in Arabic. The first is the word خلف. So, الكرة خلف السيارة. The ball is behind the car. Or we could say وراء. وراء. الكرة وراء السيارة. داخل means inside. المفتاح داخل شنطتي. The key is inside my bag. Outside would be خارج. For example, القطة خارج المنزل. The cat is outside the house. يمين means right. المنزل يمين المسجد. The house is on the right of the mosque. And left would be يسار. المنزل يسار المسجد. The house is on the left of the mosque. However, there are two words that mean left, يسار and شمال. We can use either one of them. Here you can see that the dog is between these trees. بين means between or among. So do you know how to say this in Arabic? الكلب بين الشجر. This is Ahmad. Ahmad is midst his friends. وسط means central or midst. So أحمد وسط أصدقائه. أحمد وسط أصدقائه. حيث means where. وقفت حيث الظل, which means I stood where the shade was. حول means around. يجلس الطلاب حول الطاولة. The students sit around the table. Now for compass directions in Arabic, شمال means north. جنوب, south. شرق, which means east. And غرب, which is west. And that's it for today. If you found this video beneficial, please do like, share, and comment below. Subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Arabic with Amina.